yeah, the day gonna be the day, like I said. I'm popping out, having fun with it. I'm about to get a wash. That's what I'm about to do now. So whenever we in traffic, you see me, you know what I'm saying? Make sure you tag me, you know what I'm saying? 8 Milk, you know what I'm saying? Especially on IG, you feel me? You got me on Snapchat, it's gonna be Milk 4 times with, you know what I'm saying? Number 4 with an X, you know what I'm saying? 4 times, you feel me? So stay prepared for it, you know what I'm saying? Cold hell out here, I can't lie to you. Sorry for cussing. You feel me? Show it again, you know what I'm saying? Shout out, let me zoom out real quick, you know what I'm saying? There's a little minor detail, you know what I'm saying? You feel me? Everything ready. Nothing just popping out. Get everything situated, you know what I'm saying? Stand me. Get everything situated. Yeah, that door is locked, my boy. Quick watch before I start doing all the reels and dropping everything, you feel me? I'm gonna give y'all this before, you know what I'm saying? Give y'all the after how it look, you feel me? Alright.
You told him to come over here?
Nah.
Oh.
All washed up, you feel me? Oh.
You alright?
I got that thing washed up real quick, you know what I'm saying? I'm walking in mud with my clean shoes, so you know what I'm saying? I'm trying to step back and give y'all a look of everything, you know what I'm saying? But it ain't in the sun like I wanted to for real tag. But anyway, yeah, that thing sparked up now. Now it's time to go do the reel real quick so I can show y'all the internet world. What it's talking about. Yeah, your ass gonna get beat down. I'm talking about, look, bro. I'm riding, bro. I'm right behind them, bro. Something told me to turn off. You know what I'm saying? So they slowed down. Police slowed down. I'm pulled over, by the way. You know what I'm saying? I'm pulled down. They really thought I was about to run. So I'm in front of them. Nah, dang, I'm tripping. They in front of me. So they slow down and get in the other lane. Then try to gonna hop back in the other lane when I ride past. So as soon as I hit the right, coming into the shop, they gonna hit their lights. Come on, man. Come on, man. I be loving they pull me over though. I ain't tripping.
Custom J, you know what it is. You know how I'm coming. You feel me? Mama got that route. I'm going to life of the camera.
Hey, look. I'm gonna show y'all my new car. Bro. Come on, bro. Hey, look. Hey, look, man. Check out my new Hellcat right here, man. You know what I'm saying? I just got the half and half wrap put on it, man. You know what I'm saying? The interstate battery. Cincinnati Bengals. Man, that's the wrong.
He barely dropped.
Who? I'm top 3.
Hey,
Who dropped more? You than who?
who hey, bro?
I don't know.
Who more consistent? After you.
What is we eating?
Man. It's out of you and Trey. Nah, really after you and him.
Doing what?
Oh, I said 3.
Yeah.
Doing what?
He said I don't never drop.
Never drive?
Drop.
Hey,
I'm
gonna drop 4 this weekend. Hey, get what? I got a video coming before Wednesday. Yeah, nigga don't never drop. And my next video gonna hit before the weekend.
Hey, on your
I got bangers, nigga.
Nah. But get what though? He been had YouTube way longer than me, right?
When Sage drop, Sage videos be bangers.
Look though, check this and then look. Before this last video, how long has it been since you dropped the video?
Crazy, man.
He dropped the video. He dropped 5 videos a year. 5 videos a year.
Literally, you look at his page, all his videos is such a long gap.
I got another video coming soon, man.
He is so cal. He is so cal.
I need to record that. I got some footage of your whip.
Man, listen, bro, this man got mods done to his whip. Was not recording.
Hey man, I need about 6 more minutes.
Where they do that at? Where they do that at? He didn't want to get, he didn't want to record his car getting new tips. He didn't want to record his car getting lowering springs.
He went to pick the whip up, did not record.
And he just lost to a V6 yesterday? Hey, sell the whip. Sell the whip.
Kids with me today, you know. I take my boys out to eat, you feel me? You know what I'm saying? We got the twins sitting together. Well, you're a VA killer, ain't you? You're a VA killer?
Who you beat? Stranger race me. Race me, bro. Your car's turtle.
Right there, boy. Boy! Oh, my mama, that pole right there, boy. Your ass going to court. Oh, my mama. Damn, boy. Why you riding like this? But god damn, man. He getting some work done to the door.
This is for cousins. So I built all this. I didn't build that. Big boy cousin did that, but I did everything else. Jam the church out.
Big SRT stage, man. I'm gonna put a split on car. You know, I'm the hardest. Out of anybody in the 334 area, Wiregrass, I'm the hardest on my mom. He the second hardest, I ain't gonna lie. He just got me with the music and shit. You feel me? When I get that part.
Police?
I'm gonna scratch it up.
You know he break a sweat quick now.
I came out, come hold it.
My arm hurt, bro.
Okay. Ain't done just shit, you feel me? But
you know how much you got in hand?
That side and got to put a couple more screws in them and give y'all a better angle.
Tell him 45 and we'll sell out at 45.
You know what I'm saying? Boy Quid pulled up on the real quick. Yeah, that bitch look good. You know what I'm saying? Gotta clean it out, got a little couple of fingerprints on there, but other than that, I like how it came out. Crazy thing, you been had all this planned, so all my stuff coming in now. Everything else been on back order. And I'm really thinking about putting side skirts. Y'all let me know. You know what I'm saying? Same thing, gloss black. You feel me? But just let me know how I look. I'm trying not to get hit. Get a more aggressive look.